Hi, my name is Arnaldo Castaneda, and I'm one of the personal trainers here at Humber College Lakeshore Campus. Hello, you guys. We are back, and we're back to show you the seated calf raise machine. And this one is going to target right these muscles right at the very, very bottom of your leg. So Wahid here is going to show us how to do it. He's going to go have a seat. And before he gets to work, he's going to adjust the padding right for him. So he's going to lift it up, and he's going to lower it all the way down. Because for him, that's what works and puts him in the right position. When he goes down, you're going to notice that the pads lift up on their own slightly bit. He's in the right position. And now that he's in the right spot, we're going to load up the machine. So I'm going to do that for him. So I'm going to take the weights out. I'm going to put one on each side. Now before he begins, there is a release handle which is going to allow him to go into a full extension of the calf. So he's going to go and release that handle when he's ready. So the handle has been released, and whenever you're ready, you are going to go for it. And all he's doing is lowering and lifting his heels, which is going to target the calf muscle right about here. How's that feeling? Good. So he said it's a bit too heavy, so that means he's going to go and do less reps, and he's going to slow down his movement. Now once he's done, he's going to put the safety back on, he's going to lift up nice and high, and he's going to put the safety in. And there you have it. So we just want to say thank you so much for joining us, and don't forget to stay safe, stay motivated, and I can't wait to see you here at the gym.